Hello Standard 6, your Arun sir going to teach science, chapter 13, the structure and function of plant parts, and it is part 4. We have discussed about the flower, and I have discussed that a flower has 4 parts, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay, it is the male part and it is the female part. And one unit of androecium is called a stamen, and one unit of gynoecium is called as pistil or carpel. So detail of the male and female part. If you will see stamen, how it will look. Stamen, this is the stamen, this is filament, and this is anther. And anther contains pollen grain, okay, which is the male cell, and this is stamen. Let us discuss about the female part. This is the female part, stigma, style, and it is ovary. So 3 female parts are there: stigma, style, and ovary. And what happens? This pollen grain which is present in the anther is transferred to stigma. So transfer of pollen grain from anther of a flower to the stigma of same type of flower. This word is very important. Same type of flower. If rose flower is there, then anther of rose to stigma of rose only. If guava is there, anther of guava to stigma of guava only. That is called pollination. What it is called? Pollination. So transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same type of flower is called as pollination. This part is clear. Now pollination is of 2 types. Okay, pollination is of 2 types. One is self-pollination and other is cross-pollination. Pollination, self-pollination or cross-pollination. If transfer of pollen grain takes place in the same flower from anther to stigma, then that is called self-pollination. And here in potato, wheat, okay, potato, wheat, maize, we can see potato, okay, rice, wheat, we can see self-pollination. Now, cross-pollination, transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of the same type of flower to other flower. Flower is far from them. Then that is called cross-pollination. And here how one flower is here and other is here. How the pollen grain will go? It will go either by wind or by water or by insects. The pollen grain may go by the help of wind, as in the case of maize, Valisneria, insect. Many flowers are there like orchids. Listen, if by the help of wind the pollen grains are transferring from one anther to the stigma, then it is called cross pollination by wind. In aquatic plant, means plants which grow under water, then wind pollinated. Example is Vallisneria. And if by insect, orchids or Rafflesia. One thing I would like to say, that Rafflesia is the world's largest flower, but it smells like cow dung. Now, this part is clear. We have a story about the pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Now, after pollination, what happens? After pollination, see here. Pollen grain will fall here and a pollen tube will develop, and this pollen tube will lead to the ovary. This is the ovary, and ovary contains ovule. Okay, it has got two male cells, and this is the ovary contains ovules or eggs. And what happens? There is fusion or meeting of male cell and ovule, and that is called fertilization. What that is called? Fertilization. What is fertilization? Fertilization means a process of fusion of male cell and a female cell is called as fertilization. So after fertilization, what will happen? After fertilization, the ovary will develop to fruit, and ovule will develop to seed. Fruit contains the seed, fruit protects the seed, food stores the food for the baby plant, fruit, and developed ovary is called as fruit. That is clear. And ovule develops to form seed. Now let us see a detail of the seed. As I have told that ovule develops to form seed. What does seed contain? Seed contains baby plant. Okay. Seed contains baby plant, and what does it contain? Baby plant and it has outer covering. Outer covering is called a seed coat. It also contains cotyledon, in which food is stored, radicle, which develops to grow root, limule, which develops to form shoot system, shoot. So it was about the seed. Okay, today up to this much. In the next video, we will discuss the rest part. Thank you very much.